In today's video, learn how to receive crypto like Ethereum, Bitcoin, USDT, and many more into your best wallet. First, select the wallet you want to deposit to and tap the Receive button on the home screen. Now choose the token you want to receive, or tap the Chain tab to find your network address. Each token has a different address depending on the network, so make sure you're copying the correct address for that token and chain. For example, if you're receiving USDT on Ethereum, make sure you're either using your Ethereum network address or the ERC20 USDT address. If you transfer using the wrong address or via the wrong network, your transaction will either fail or result in lost funds. Once you've picked the right token or chain, you'll see the long alphanumeric address and its QR code. Just copy the address to your device's clipboard. If you're receiving from another wallet or exchange, paste this address into their send or withdraw field. We recommend starting with a small test amount, just to familiarize yourself with the process. Once sent, your crypto will land directly in your wallet. Depending on what you're depositing, it may take a few minutes to show. Once it's confirmed, you should see your new tokens in your wallet. If you don't, refresh the token list. You can also check the transaction status in the History section of your Trade tab. And that's it. You've successfully received crypto in Best Wallet.